Hi everyone. Today I will trade again with my binary options trading bot. The bot analyzes the chart from 20 seconds to 10 minutes, it all depends on the market. The bot can also give signals on the OTC market. You can get the bot for free, read the description of the video.
What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.